Is this like almost a kind of wireless charger for the body in one sense?
Yeah, great. It's a great analogy. In many ways, it is. Every cell in our body has a function. Liver cell, really, it makes up with many other cells our liver and kidney and so forth. But every cell has a function. And within that cell, there are many different organelles that allow it to do its function. But it's a factory. And just like any other factory, a factory needs power to conduct the job that is done within that factory. For many people, as they age because of injury, the ATP or the cellular charge diminishes. And much like a cell phone that doesn't have charge, it can't do its function. So by giving the body this energy, we're really charging the cell so it can optimize its performance. And, as people talk about things like longevity, that's a big topic now, right? Everybody wants to live longer and live healthier. The ultimate form of longevity is actually a cell reproducing. So you have a young new cell that is able to do its function until it goes through its life cycle. For a cell to go through the division process, the cell needs a certain level of electrical charge. We believe PEMF is something that aids with that. So it is something that really ties so beautifully into the people that are looking for longevity solutions.
Excellent. And on that topic of longevity, this strikes me as a technology that's very proactive in terms of your health. So rather than sitting, waiting for you to become ill or tired or stressed, by taking this proactive steps, you're actually helping your body to recover quickly. And in terms of, does it help you to live longer and to be fitter and stronger as you get older?
Sure. Yes. And the answer is yes. Ideally, we would love to see people use the system not only when they're injured, but when they're not, because our bodies need this energy and our bodies are perfectly designed for this type of energy, much like a resistor as opposed to just a battery. If you don't need the energy, it passes right through your body. So you can't overcharge, which is a question that sometimes people have. How long would I use this? How often should I use it? And it's really a personal thing. But the good thing about it is you can't get too much of it. So typically when people are using the system, they can use it in as little as 15 minutes. And we have some people that will actually sleep on our equipment every single night. But it's clearly something that, with the experience that we have and others that have produced systems like this for many, many years, it can be beneficial to the entire body. And it's something that you can use to be on a journey. Ideally, people would use this whenever convenient for them, but it's something that also people find in many cases aids better sleep, a more restful sleep, a deeper sleep, which again allows a person to recover better, because that's when much of our recovery is actually taking place.